Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I am working on a love journal and this is going to be episode 5. I was thinking to use this rub-on sticker and my paper on this page. That was my initial thought, but I have reconsidered. I'm going to put this aside and I still want to use this in another part of my book. But what I want to use is this paper. Look, this is a computer paper I recently picked up from the Dollar Tree. I think it works really well with this page. I was looking for the cover page to my kit, but I seem to have used it. So I have the sticker page left, so let me show you this. I think it works really well. I finally have a use for my postcard there. I can even use one of these bird cages in here also. But I think it's going to work out really well. So what I'll do is put on some music for you and enjoy. This is what my page looks like right now. I like it. I'm happy with it. On my writing page, I put a stamp of a typewriter here, and I just wrote I love you in here. On this side, I created mystery pocket, and I used some silver threading with sequins on the side, and I did create a flap, see? So this one, I just used a washi to adhere it to the page. And I put a card on top of the floral cardstock and put a brad on each side to make the fastener. On the inside, I put some flourishes here and there, and of course I put a plain cardstock on the inside so we can write. And then I disguised the brad with just a piece of image that says "Be Mine." On this side, I put a flourish here, and then I put a sticker here that says "With Love" to hide the brad. No, you don't have to do that. You can do that before you even adhere the blank page on there if you like, and that'll hide it. And here I created a tuck spot. I put the carte postal sticker on here on a black cardstock, and I glued it down, but only down here. So, and then I created a letter. Well, the paper anyways. I took the full sheet, folded in half, and then folded up. And you saw me measuring it when I put it in there. So I folded it this way first and checked it to make sure my band was above the pocket. And then I just kind of fed the top flap into the bottom flap. So this takes a little bit of patience here, but you can tuck it right back in there. Now you can tuck the bottom piece into the top piece if you like, but because of the way my paper is designed, it looks better with the top piece going into the bottom piece. And then kind of create that, that puffy with the paper. And that helps to lay it back down like that. See? Isn't that cute? I like it. And then I tuck that back in here so the image falls right above the pocket. You see there? I like it. It is cute. And close it up. And this side I just left as is. I decided not to put anything on top of here. It's cute. I like it. And then just take this thread and kind of wrap it on the brad there, and there you go. And then there's a little bit of writing space there. I think that on this page it just needs a little something else, so I'm going to take some of my washi. It's just black washi with some hearts on there. I like this washi, it's so cute. And then maybe I'll put it right there. And I'm going to take stamp there and just stick it on there like that. So it gives it a little bit of a balance on this page. And there's plenty of writing space in here, so I'm quite happy with that. I like this. Very cute, I think. And I hope you like this page. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.